Who is not a rock band or a British science fiction series?
I thought that the Who were mods, and that the mods battled it heads for dominance in the London scene of the 1960s.
No, the WHO is the World Health Organization.
I remember that Ringo Starr was asked if he was a mod or a rocker, and he replied that he was a mocker.
According to the World Health Organization, there is only one country on Earth where the healthcare is more expensive than in the United States. Guess where?
Do I have to?
The Marshall Islands. The Marshall Islands is where the United States carried out its nuclear tests in the 40s and 50s. They detonated 66 bombs, including the biggest nuclear explosion ever. The Atomic Energy Commission called the Marshall Islands by far the most contaminated place in the world.
It's hard to choose between mods and rockers. They both seem so antiquated and silly. And the mods are a British thing, Carnaby Street and all of that stuff.
Be that as it may, the only place on Earth with higher health costs than the United States is a nuclear test site. On the other hand, the World Health Organization ranking of healthcare has the United States at number 37. So, our healthcare costs are second only to a nuclear test site, but the level of care is 37th in the world, worse than Costa Rica or Chile.
Should I order the fried chicken, the grilled chicken, or the chicken nuggets? Nuggets remind me of poop for some reason.
You're not listening to me, are you?
I am listening carefully to every sound you make. You fascinate me endlessly. It's unfortunate that I only have an hour for lunch and you've been talking non-stop for 50 minutes.
Do you have time for a list of Mitch McConnell's top 20 campaign contributors? First is Kindred Healthcare, then there's UBSAG, that's a big Swiss banking company with hidden accounts. Then there's Humana, Blue Cross Blue Shield, a bunch of hedge funds.
Spicy chicken poop, and an order of wedges, coleslaw on the side.
But I love you, baby.
You always bore the one you love.
But what about affordable healthcare?
Baby, it's always the same. Don't you know anything? Lunch first, then universal health care.
Sadly, there is no cure for the libido. I'm a famous idiot.